Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to our evening forex trading live session. Okay, so as we've all known, on this session, we're going to be guiding the newbies that wants to trade or learn forex market, how to start trading. Okay, sorry guys, just a minute. Okay, guys. So as we've all known, on this session, we're going to be guiding the newbies that wants to learn how to trade the forex market. We're going to start, guiding them on how they can start trading the forex market profitably. Okay. So my name is Leo, and I remain your guide. So let's go into um, what we have in stock for today. So in case you are just joining us, this is your chance, okay? Please pay attention and listen attentively because I'm going to be taking this right from the beginning, okay? Because on our previous class, I saw some people, complaining that they didn't understand. So that is why I want to restart the whole thing from the beginning, okay? So first of all, we're going to start with the introduction to forex trading, okay? And under the introduction of forex trading, we have the currencies. After what the forex trading is, we have the currencies, forex brokers, we have the pips, spread, leverage, margin, profit, stop out, lot size, okay? And then I'm going to show you how you can start making money from the forex market using the BtcDana trading application. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the introduction of forex trading. Now, what is forex trading? Forex mean foreign exchange, basically. Okay, so you might have come across, people saying forex or FX. So forex means foreign exchange. Okay, and it is a place where currencies are traded. Huh? So in this market, exchanging one currency for another is called currency trading. Okay, which is also done in pairs. You can't trade the forex market without um, trading in pairs. Okay, so what I mean by trading in pairs is, where two currencies are involved, we call it pairs. Okay, so take for example, you have a Nigerian currency, a Nigerian naira, you have a Canadian dollar. That means you already have a pair of currencies. Okay, so that's basically what a pair means. So how is this forex trading done? So take for example, we are in Nigeria right now. Maybe you want to travel out. You want to go to US, for example. Then you are having your own Nigerian currency, which is your naira. Okay. Then you want to convert your currency to the country you are visiting, which is the US dollars. You can't take naira to the US because you're not going to be able to spend it. Okay. So you can't spend Nigerian naira in the US. What do you want to do? You want to exchange your Nigerian currency to the US dollars. Okay, so the process in which you exchange it is called foreign exchange. Okay, so you are exchanging your currency to the country, to the currency of the country you are visiting. Okay, so and how do we make money from this forex of a thing? You know, okay, forex is there. How do I make money from this forex? So the idea is to predict how a currency price will move. Okay, so you want to speculate on how a currency is going to do in few hours, few days, or in few months. Okay, so it depends on the kind of trader you are. So, but the basic thing on how you make money on forex is you speculate. So you want to come to your chart and start, analyzing. Okay, you want to know how the market is going to, what the market is going to do next. Okay, is the market going to move up, or is the market going to is it going to come down? So if it's going to move up, you want to start buying. If it's going to come down, you want to start selling. That is basically how you make money from the financial market. That is forex. Okay, and I said you can't trade the forex market without the involvement of currencies in pairs. Okay, the currencies has to be in pairs. Okay, so talking about pairs, now this is our BtcDana homepage right here. Okay, we have our homepage right here. Now, please, I want you guys to come to market. Okay, here where you see market, come to market at the bottom here. Okay, after the home, come to market, click on the market. Now, this is what we call currency pairs. So, okay, let me go to, this is popular. Let's go to Forex. Okay, because this is the major thing we are learning. This is Forex. Come to Forex. Come to Forex. Okay, so now these are currency pairs, right? These are currency pairs. We have our Euro USD, which is European Euro US dollars. Okay, Euro against US dollars. We have USD JPY. This is United States dollars against Japanese yen. Okay, so they are in what, they are in pairs, because before you can sell, the currencies has to be two. Okay, you are either selling this and buying this, or buying this, and selling this. Okay, so that is basically how a forex market works. It has to be in pairs. Now we have what we call the major pairs. Okay, we have the major pairs, we have the minor pairs, then we have the exotic pairs. Okay, so these major pairs and these minor pairs, we actually have, sorry guys, just a moment. Okay, so the major pairs, we actually have 8 major pairs. Okay, we have 8 major pairs in the forex market. What I mean by major pairs is those are pairs, the major pair are pairs um, of a good economy. Okay, standard economy. What I mean by standard economy, take USA for example right now. USA is a giant in the world. Okay, they are giant. When you talk about economy, they have a very standard, a strong economy. Okay, so that is why when we are talking about pairs, you don't want to leave USA out. Okay, we have other countries, we have eight of them, like I've said. We have the euro. Okay, we have the euro, we have the USD, we have the JPY. Okay, GBP. Okay, you want to take note of them. GBP here, this is um Great British Pounds. Okay, so they are major currencies. Then we have the AUD. AUD, this is Australian dollar. Okay, so they are all major currencies. We have the NZD. This is the New Zealand dollar. Okay, they are all major currencies. Okay, now why? How do you trade the major currencies? So we in major currencies we have what we call the major pairs. Okay, we have the major pairs. Now this major pair, if you look at this example right here, they are both major currencies, right? We have the euro and then we have the USD. They are both major currencies. So when you merge them together, those major currencies, when you merge them with any of the major currencies, remember I said we have 8 major currencies. We have the US, we have the euro, we have the GBP, we have the JPY, CAD, which is the Canadian dollar, NZD, which is the New Zealand dollar, CHF, that is Swiss franca, that's the Swedish currency. Okay, then we have the AUD. So all these currencies, when they are associated with the US dollars, you have the major pairs. Okay, so now this is a major pair because we have euro, when we have USD. So this euro is associated with the USD. We have the major pair. So anywhere you see any of these pairs that I've mentioned, the 8 pairs, aside, okay, let's say it is 7 now, aside the USD. Okay, remember the USD made it up to 8. Now, removing the USD, we have 7 pairs left. Okay, apart from the USD, we have the Euro, we have the GBP, JPY, CAD, NZD, CHF, and AUD. Okay, so when all of these 7 pairs, when they are associated or um yeah, associated with the USD, that is when you say they are the major pairs. Okay, so we have another major pair here because JPY is also a currency, is a major currency. Okay, and here it is associated with the USD, making it a major pair. This is the GBP also. It's a major currency associated with the USD. It becomes a major pair. Okay, these are all major pairs. These are all major pairs. Okay, aside this is not a major pair. Why? Because this is euro and this is AUD. It's not associated with the major pair. It is not associated with USD. Okay, so that aside, then we have the minor pair also. So this is an example of the minor pair. They are not associated with USD. Okay, they can be associated with other major currencies, but they are not associated with the USD. Okay, so don't get it mixed up. Then we have the minor pair. We have the exotic pair rather. Okay, so well, like I said, this is an example of our minor pair. We have the Euro AUD, we have the Euro CAD. They are not. They are currencies, major currencies. Okay, remember what I said about major currencies? They are major currencies, but they are not associated with the USD. Any major currency that is associated with the USD is a major pair. Okay, but the ones that are associated with each other but not USD, they are minor pairs. Okay, then we have the exotic pair. Now the exotic pair, those are the pair of an emerging economy. So take for example, Nigeria is an emerging economy. Okay, our economy is not that strong. Okay, so we are like upcomings. So our currency is an exotic currency. Okay, it's an exotic currency because we are not our economy is not as strong as other strong countries. Okay, you can't compare Nigerian economy with the US company, with the US country economy rather, or the Australian economy, or the New Zealand economy, or even Canada. It's not possible. Okay, or even the Japanese. It's not possible. You can't compare Nigerian economy with the Japanese economy. Okay, so if you are any country with an that isn't, doesn't have a strong economy, you will call those economy, their pair is under the exotic pairs. Okay, so another example is the South African rand. Okay, yeah, South Africa is good, yeah, yes, but their economy is not as standard as the US economy or the Euro or the Britain. Okay, so that is that. Then we have the base and quote currencies. Okay, we have the base and the quote currency. Now, when we say the base and the quote currency, remember I said currencies are traded in pairs. Okay, they are always two. Now, those two, they are categorized. They have their name. Okay, because this could actually be at the front, but it's not at the front. Okay, so we have the first pair, then we have the major, we have the second pair. Okay, they have to be in pair. So we have the first currency, we have the second currency, but they have to be in pair. Now, the first currency is called the base currency, while the second currency is called the quote currency. Okay, so in forex, whenever currencies are paired together, okay, whenever currencies are paired together, there's always a base and there's always a quote. Okay, just remember that the first currency is the base currency, while the second currency is the quote currency. So take for example, I said we have GBP, JPY here right now. The base currency is what? Yeah, the base currency is the GBP. Okay, while the quote currency is the JPY. Okay, so this is another example. NZD, USD. The base currency here is the NZD. The quote currency is the USD. Okay, so anywhere you see any forex pair, just know that the first pair, the first currency, is the base, the second currency is the quote. Okay, that is just a simple explanation. Okay, then moving on, we have the forex brokers. Now, who are the forex brokers? You see, this is BTC Dana. Okay, and this BTC Dana is a where you can trade forex. Okay, this is a forex platform where you can trade forex. Okay, so we can call this company a forex broker. This is a brokerage company. This is where you trade. Anywhere you trade, anywhere you can go into and trade is called a forex broker. Okay, so they are the intermediary. They are the one collecting your orders. Okay, either you are buying, another person is selling, so they are the one collecting those orders. Okay, so that is why they are called forex brokers. They are the one you are going to start placing your buy or your sell to. Okay, I want to sell gold. This is where you start to sell. I want to buy gold. This is where you start to buy. Okay, so they are like the intermediary between a buyer and a seller. When you are buying, somebody else is definitely selling. So when you are selling, somebody else is buying. So they are the one that will bring those people together. Okay, yeah, you can't see it because it's done automatically. Okay, so they have their own way of doing it, which we cannot understand. Our own is just to place those orders. We are buying, we are selling. Okay, so that is how that is for forex brokers. Okay, so now we have a PIP. Okay, so in forex we have what we call pips. Please go back to this market here. I want to show you something very important. Go back to your market. Okay, so here in your market, click on any forex pair. Okay, aside except, don't click anyone that has JPY. Okay, click any other one. Don't click anyone that has JPY. Just click on any other one. Okay, so let's even use this. Let's use Euro USD for example. Let's use Euro USD. So just click on it, and then it will take you to your chart. Now here on the chart, you see this. You see this line. Okay, this line here. Anytime this line moves, either it moves up or it moves down, it's always changing the figures. Okay, most especially those two figures, the second to the last and the last one here. Okay, so this market is changing because of the pips. Okay, so whenever the market is moving, we say the market is moving in pips. Take for example our clock. Okay, so we have on our clock we have what we call the minute and the seconds, right? So before a clock can make 1 minute, it must count up to 60 seconds. Okay, so it's the same thing on pips. Okay, it's the same thing on pips. The last one here is called pipette. Okay, the last one here is called the pipette. You see, it's counting right now. So the second to the last is our pip. Okay, if you are counting it, you count it from the first one. So here, sorry, here, if you are on Euro USD right now, you see 1.080074. Okay, 1.080074. Now, if you want to count your pip is always the fourth digit after the decimal point. Okay, you know we have 1 point. Now, after the point, you count 4 digits. Okay, the fourth one is your pip. Now let's count it together. We have 1 point. The next digit after the point is 0. Okay, so 0 is now 1. 8, that is number 2, digit number 2. Then another 0, digit number 3. Then our 7 is digit number 4. This 7 right now, this our fourth digit is our pip. Okay, so whenever the market is moving, we say the market is moving in pips. Okay, we have 2, right? We have 8. It has dropped to 7. Now the market has come down by 1 pip. Okay, so don't pay attention to the pipette, which is the last one. Okay, what you want to pay attention to is this. Okay, just like our time, we don't pay attention to the seconds, we only pay attention to the hours and the minute. Okay, so what you want to pay attention to here is this figure, the fourth one after the decimal point. Okay, that is the pip. So I hope you understand what the pip is now. Then coming back here, let's go to JPY pairs, because I know some of us are worried. Why did this guy say we should not click on any currency associated with the JPY? Okay, so now here is why. Click on the JPY. Let me show you something. Click on USD JPY, any pair that has JPY. Okay, so on this JPY right now, remember I said the fourth digit after the decimal point is our pip. Okay, but on this JPY, on any currency that is associated with the JPY, it is always a different case. Okay, so look at here, we have 146 point. We have 3 digit before the point, then we have 3 digit after the point. Okay, remember in Euro USD, we have just 1 digit, point, then other digit. Okay, but in this case, we have 3 digit before the point. Now, how do you count a pip here if we are having 3 digit before the point? Now, for you to count a pip, the difference is it is the second digit after the decimal point. Okay, remember on that on other currency pairs, on other pairs, we say it is the fourth digit after the decimal point, because the decimal point is after the first. Okay, after the first digit we have the decimal, then we have, I think, about 5 digits. Okay, but on this case we have just 3 point, then another 3. Okay, so with this, the second digit after the decimal point is our pip. Okay, so right here we have 146.474. If you are on USD JPY right now, you see this 146.471 right now. Okay, so this 7 right here is our pip. So anytime this moves, we say it's moving in pips. Okay, so if it moves now, if it moves up, I say, this market has moved, it has moved up 1 pip. If it moves down, I say, this market has moved down 1 pip. Okay, so that is what a pip is. Okay, then we have a spread. We have what we call a spread. Now a spread is okay, so you can see this right here. You can see, okay, let me go to the 1 minute and see if we can get it. Let's see. Let's go to pairs that has, so okay, we can see it. We can see because they are on top each other. Okay, so they are on top of each other right now. You see this blue line here. Okay, this our pip, this blue line, this one that is counting our pip is actually 2. Okay, so we have the red. Sometimes it is red, for it depends on how your chart looks. Sometimes it is red, sometimes it is, but just know that it is 2. Okay, it's not just 1. Sorry, just a moment, guys. So it is always 2. Okay, it is 2. The way you are seeing it right now, they are on top of each other. That is why you are not seeing the second one. Okay, but you notice it later. Okay, maybe you are on the chart, you are just doing something, you see them separated. Okay, you see them separately. So I don't want you to feel confused when you see them. That is why I'm going to explain what a spread is right now. So a spread is the difference between the two of them. Okay, so when they are in 2, they have different numbers. Okay, they have different numbers. We have the bid price, then we have the ask price. Okay, so the bid price is always at the top. Right now this is the bid price. Okay, so the bid price is the one that has the pips. The ask price is the one that is going to be below, but right now they are on top of each other, like I said. Okay, so the difference between them, if you want to get your bid, it is the difference between them. Okay, that is your spread. The difference between this blue and the other one it is your spread. So this spread can also be, for the brokers, it can also be like the commission. That is their commission for helping you to place those trades. Okay, and that is one beautiful thing about BTC Dana. They have zero spread. That is why you can't even see the difference. That is why you can't see the other line. Okay, the ask price, the line. That is why you can't see it, because when this bid price is here, then the ask price is above here. When you enter a trade, it's going to take that commission first. Okay, so that is why sometimes you enter your trade, instead of your trade to start reading, you see maybe like instantly you see -1. Even though you are using the lowest lot size, you see -1. But on BTC Dana, it is not possible. Okay, so that is spread. They have zero spread. That is why you are not seeing anything. That is why there's the bid price and the ask price, they are on top of each other. Okay, so I hope you understand what the spread is right now. Then we have what we call leverage in forex. Okay, a leverage. Now, what is a leverage? So a leverage in forex is when your broker allows you to control a large forex position with a small deposit. Okay, so normally we were not supposed to be able to trade the forex market with $10. Okay, so BTC Dana allows you to deposit even up to $3. Okay, they allow you to trade with at least $3. If you deposit $3, you are going to be able to trade forex. Okay, that is the least you can use here. Okay, now this $3 on the norms, you are not supposed to be able to trade with just $3. Okay, so what these forex brokers, what they do is they now find a way to help you magnify that $3. Okay, they help you magnify it, because you are supposed to be, for you to trade the forex market, what the requirement needed is around 10,000, starting from $100,000, $1 million. Okay, so the way they help you magnify is there's what we call leverage. Okay, that is where the leverage comes in. They have what we call leverage. So BTC Dana offer leverage of 1:500. This 1:500, what it means is whatever you are depositing, they are magnifying it by 500 times. Okay, whatever you are depositing, they are magnifying it by 500 times. So assuming you have like $1,000 right now, then you want to trade the forex market, what it means is they are going to magnify it in a way that the forex is going to be seeing it like you have $500,000 in your account. Okay, that is magnifying. So they are helping you so that you'll be able to trade the forex market, because on the norms, you're not supposed to be able to trade with just $3, $10, or even $100. Okay, so now remember I said we have one the BTC Dana has 1:500, right? That one in front of it, that is your margin. That is the amount, the money that you are depositing. Okay, so assuming you have $1,000 right now, you want to invest $1,000 in forex. I want to be trading with $1,000. You deposit the $1,000. Okay, that $1,000 you deposited is your margin. Okay, that is your margin. Then the 500,000 they are going to magnify it to is your leverage. Okay, so that you'll be able to open forex positions. That is just the simple explanation. Okay, don't worry, you don't have to pay too much attention to all of those things, because the most important thing is to make money. Okay, and we are getting there. Okay, why I'm explaining all of these things is for you to have an idea of what it means. Okay, so that when you meet your friend, when your friend say, I thought you said you know how to trade the forex market, what is a margin? You won't be doing, I don't know, I didn't pay attention to forex margin, I don't know what it means. Or your friend will say, what is a leverage? You start saying, I don't know what a leverage is. Okay, those are just the basic things you need to understand in the forex market. Okay, then we have a profit and a loss. Okay, so what I mean by a profit and a loss is, now I have um USDJPY here. Okay, so let's say, let me see if I'm using my demo. Okay, I have my demo here. Now let's go back to the market. we have USDJPY. Okay. So sorry guys, just a moment. I want my screen to to load back. So assuming I just took a trade here right now, okay, this market is going up. Let's sell. Let's sell. So assuming I just took a trade, okay. So I sold. I want to show you how to know if you are profiting or losing. Okay. So let's check our order. Okay, our order is successful. Now let's check it. Let's check our order. You see, we have minus. Okay, right now this is a loss. Okay, so this is how to know if you are losing in the forex market. Right now this is a loss. Okay, what this is counting for me right now is a loss. If this market is in profit, it will be in green. Okay, if you are making profit, it's going to be in green. So let's go back to this market right now and see if we can find the green. I just want to show you the difference. Okay, so you know the difference between a loss and a profit. So let's go check our order out. Okay. Okay, so they are both in loss right now, but don't worry, it's going to change. Okay, it's going to change to profit. One of them is going to change to profit. I want to show you the difference between profit and loss. Okay, so when you see this red and you are seeing this minus, that means you are in loss. Okay, and again, mind you, loss again is not consistent. Okay, so it is possible that your analysis is right. When you are seeing this, doesn't mean that you have already lost your money, okay, or you are on the negative side. Okay, being on the negative side is for a part of forex trading. You can be on the negative side for some times while you get into the profit side as the time goes on. Okay, so that is the example we are actually showing here right now. Okay, so you see this market was on loss previously, but it's getting into profit right now. Okay, you saw when it changed to green, that is, it's want to start making profit. Okay, so when it is in green, okay, it is in green right now, which means profit. This is a loss, this is profit. Okay, I hope you understand what a profit and a loss is now. Okay, so let's move along. um I want to check what we have next on our list. Then we have what we call a stop out. Okay, we have what we call a stop out. Now, I took these trades. Okay, I took these trades. So assuming I'm having a $10 right now, I'm having a $10 and I took this trade. Okay, so my trade, my $10, maybe I'm losing. Okay, let's say maybe you see I open with this smaller size. Don't worry, we'll get to lot size. I open with this smaller size and then I'm losing. Maybe I left this trade for so long that the market started going against me. Maybe I didn't pay attention to the trade. Then I started losing around, maybe say around $5 here, and then I'm losing around $3 here. Okay, so this market is going to start stopping me out. Why is it going to start stopping me out? Because I have just $10. Okay, I have just $10. So when I'm losing 70%, that okay, when I have just 30% left, the market is going to start closing automatically. Okay, it will start closing from the one that is losing the most. That is, I said maybe I'm losing $5 here. It's going to close the one of $5 first. Okay, so my remaining balance, when it gets to less than 30% again, is going to close that one also. Okay, so getting stop out means you lose. Okay, so that is why you always want to protect your capital. If you have $10, If you have $20, you want to set your stop loss and your take profit. So what I mean by stop loss and take profit is, now come back to the trade, come back to the forex market, come back to the market right now, then click on Euro USD. Let's use Euro USD for example. You can actually use any other market, okay? So do not think maybe this only works on Euro USD, that's why I keep using it. Or okay, so for us that maybe doesn't understand, let's use any other market, any random market. Okay, so this is one that my cursor is picking. Let me use it. This is AUD USD. So right now we have a market here. Let's assume we are buying. Okay, that's assuming we want to buy right here. We want, maybe we are setting here as our take profit. Okay, so what we mean by take profit is we are saying when this market gets to this point too, we want to take profit because we are buying. So we are speculating that this market is going to come up to this place. Okay, so we are saying when this market gets to this point, give me my money. I'm not trading anymore. Okay, or we click on buy, then this market started selling. Okay, so if we are buying and this market is selling, what is happening? That means we are losing because it's going in the opposite direction of what we've predicted. Okay, so we are buying, the market started selling, that means we are losing. So you want to protect your capital by setting a stop loss. Now, what is a stop loss? That means you want to say, you are saying that when this market gets to this point, if it loses up to this level, you want to leave the market. You don't want to trade again. Okay, you don't want to lose more money. Okay, so you don't want to lose more money. You want to sit down and make another prediction. Okay, that this is where the market is going to go next. Okay, so that is why the take profit and stop loss are always important in the forex market. Okay, so that is that about take profit and our stop loss. Okay, so if you need me to repeat this, you can just comment below. Okay, just say, I don't understand, then I'll come back to it. Okay, you can say it right now so that we can come back to it. Or if you're just joining us, take profit and stop loss is basically, if you are setting your take profit, you are saying when this market, okay, maybe you say, okay, the market is buying right now, okay, and I want to buy. I place a buy like this. This is SL, this is TP. So this SL and TP means stop loss, take profit. Okay, so when you click on this button right here, when you click on this, it's going to bring out another box for you. Okay, so it's going to expand the box. Now you see SL. SL is an short for stop loss. Okay, and TP is short for take profit. Okay, so before you can set this, you can click on your plus icon here on this far right. You can click on this plus icon. So when you click on it, it's going to display some numbers here. Okay, it's going to display some numbers here. Let's just click here. See, okay, we have the numbers here. So you want to edit these numbers to the numbers where you said your market is going to get to. Okay, so the same thing for this also. This is your take profit. This is your SL. This is your SL, okay? And this is your take profit. So whenever you are buying or you are selling, you want to set these numbers. And how do you get these numbers? You have to come back to your screen. Okay, you have to come back to your screen. Let's go back to our screen and see. Okay, so we have our screen right here. Okay, so this market is selling right now. This market is selling. Maybe you click on sell and this market started buying. It started going up instead of selling like you've clicked. Okay, so it started buying. Then you want to set your stop loss around this area. So this number is what you are going to set, that when this market get to this point to please, I don't want to lose again. So you have this number right here. We have 0.64231, and that is the number you are going to set on where you saw stop loss just now. Okay, this is the number you are going to set. Then maybe as you sold, the market started selling, it's going your way, you are making profit. Okay, so maybe you are targeting here because the market doesn't go on one direction always, it can just change direction at any time. Okay, so that is why you are speculating. Where you are speculating that this market is going to get to is called your take profit. Okay, so this market is selling, I might just say, when this market gets to this point, I want to take profit. I want to take my profit and go away. I don't want to sell anymore. Okay, so I'm going to enter this number. I'm going to enter this number because this number is around this area. So I'm going to say 0.64200. That is where my take profit is going to be. So I'm going to set it on where we saw take profit TP just now. Okay, so I hope you understand what TP means now. Okay, then we have lot sizes. We have lot sizes. So remember when I said when we sold, I said I was using the smallest lot size. Now let's buy or sell. Okay, let's buy or sell. We can decide to do anyone. Okay, lot size doesn't matter. You can decide. Okay, let's assume that this market now maybe we want to buy because we saw that it's printing green candles. So green is for buy, red is for sell. Okay, so let's say the green right here is more than the red. So we are saying this market is going to buy. So you want to click on buy here. So when you click on the buy, we have these are lot sizes. Okay, you can also call them volume. Okay, you can also call them volume. What is volume? You know, when you are playing music, when you lower, when you increase the volume, what is going to happen? The sound is going to increase. Okay, but when you decrease the volume, what is going to happen? The sound is going to decrease. Okay, so that is basically how forex market works also. So if you are using high lot size, you are going to lose more or make more. It depends on how the market is working. If the market is in your favor, you are going to make more in just few minutes, few seconds. Okay, but if you are losing, you are also going to lose more. Okay, so as a beginner, that is why it's very important that you use the lowest volume, the lowest lot size. Okay, so this is 0.01. This is the smallest lot size. Then we have 0.1, 0.10. The zero is not in front of it, but this is 0.1. Okay, so sometimes you know some people will say 0.10. They are still talking about this. Okay, so the smallest lot size here, before you can get this 0.1, you need 10 of this. So imagine the distance between them. You need 10 of this to get one of these. Okay, you need another 10 of this to get one of these. Okay, so that is how the lot size, that is how they work. Okay, so okay, let's say we use one lot size right now. This is a very high lot size. This is a very high lot size. So we are using one lot size right now. Let's buy and see how fast our market is going to start going immediately. Okay, compared to the other trade that we've opened previously. Okay, so let us just look at this. You see, I'm already losing $9. Why those are reading 0.0, 0.01, 0.04? Okay, why am I losing so much here? Because I opened it with 1. Okay, I didn't look at this. I opened this with 0.01. I opened this with 1. And to get 0.10, you need how many of these? Guys, you need a lot of this. A lot of this. Okay, I think you need about 100 of these to get just one of these. That means if I open 100 times of this trade, 100 of this trade before it can be equal to 1 that I've opened here. That is why you want to, in forex trading, you want to be mindful of the lot size you are using. Okay, you don't want to use a higher lot size when you don't have such balance. So assuming you are having like $10, $20, $50, even $100 right now, I'm not going to advise you to be using this. Okay, greediness in forex market is not good. The same way you can start making profit instantly is the same way you can start losing instantly if you are using a high lot size. Okay, so if you are using a small lot size, it doesn't mean that you're not going to make money. Okay, your money is going to be accumulating little by little. It's going to be accumulating until it gets to that point. Okay, until it gets to the point that the accumulation is now big enough. Okay, so assuming you are taking trade every day, it's going to continue to add up. Even if you are making $1 in one trade, if you get up to like 3 trades in a day, that is $3. Okay, so using this is very risky. Using this is far less risky. Okay, that is just the difference between our lot sizes. I hope we understand what lot size means now. Okay, so when you get to your when you go to your BtcDana trading app, when you see that place where you the right volume, you want to choose your volume carefully. Okay. So now, guys, before we go, I want to show you something that is very, very important. Okay. Some of us, I know we are still new to this forex of a thing, but as I've always said, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are new. The most important thing, the reason why all of us are here is because we want to make money. Okay, why are you here if not to make money? The reason why you are here on this live stream right now is because you want to start making money. You want to learn how you can start making money. So we have a premium group. Okay. So on this premium group, we provide what we call signal every day. Okay. We post what we call signal. So this signal, what we do with forex signal is you make money with forex signal. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie, if you don't know how to trade yet. The most important thing is you want to make money. So all you have to do is just click on buy or click on sell when we say buy or sell. Okay, and this is how a forex signal looks like. This is what we post on our premium signal group. Okay, we have a premium signal group. And for you to get into this premium signal group, all you have to do is deposit up to $15 on this live stream. Okay, so if you deposit up to $15, we are going to get you into the premium group. And what do you make from this premium group? If you deposit up to $15, you get into the premium group. Then you have access to the premium signals. Okay, so like I've said, those premium signals, you use it to make money. So imagine I say, you don't have to, you are a newbie right now, you are not familiar with the chart, you don't know how to analyze. Okay, everything we've said right now, you can decide to click on buy or click on sell, but trust me, you are going to lose your money. Why are you going to lose your money? Because there's what we call an analysis. Okay, and if you don't know how to make those analyses, you are just going to be guessing. Okay, you are going to be saying, you're going to be looking at the chart and be doing, this, I think this market is going up, you buy, then the market will start coming down, then you start losing your money. Okay, but as a professional analyzer, what I do daily is I sit down and analyze the market. Okay, so I analyze the market for you. All you have to do is you trade it. Okay, how do you trade it? You go into your BtcDana application and click on buy or you click on sell. That is after I have placed this signal. Okay, look at this signal right now. I said BtcDana premium signal, scalping trade. So here I can change it. It can be intra trade. Okay, it can be intraday trade. This scalping and intraday trade doesn't have, the difference is not that much. Okay, so what we mean by scalping is we are not going to stay on the market for so long. Okay, it can be for 15 minutes, it can be for 30 minutes. So when I say scalping, the signal can be maybe in the next 15 minutes, I can tell you to close. I can say, okay, guys, start closing the market right now because it's a scalping signal. So where we take a scalping signal is when maybe the market is on uptrend, the market is going up. Then we just want to sell for a little opportunity. Maybe we saw a sell opportunity for a little time, then we want to sell instantly, okay, and take profit and make money instantly. We call it sharp money in forex trading. Okay, we call it sharp money. So when we want to take this sharp money, we call it scalping trade. Okay, but when we say intraday trading, that is a trade that is going to go for long. Okay, not that long. Oh, it is still within today. Okay, if I give you an intraday trading right now, the intraday trading trade can last up to maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, or even 6 hours. Okay, I'll give you a TP, take profit, and I'll give you an SL. Okay, remember what I said, a take profit and a stop loss means. Okay, so I'll give you those digits. You don't have to be struggling to look at the digits. Okay, so I'll put the digit there. All you have to do is just enter it on your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, so how does this signal works? Now we have, please, I want you to screenshot this front page. I want you to screenshot this down. Please just take note of it. Just screenshot it. Then I'll do all of this. I'll do all of this on BTC Dana trading app so that you understand how this works. Okay, so let me just give you a minute to screenshot it. Okay, so I hope all of us have taken screenshot of this. Okay, so now let's go to our BTC Dana trading application. Okay, so I'm going to share my BTC Dana trading application with you guys right now. Okay, so now come to your market. Okay, come to market. Then on the signal, what do we have? We have, so what you want to pay attention to on the signal is where it says sell now. Okay, so if you have the screenshot right now, you see I said it says BTC Dana Premium Signal scalping trade. Okay, and the signal is XAU USD. Okay, XAU USD. So what you want to do now is the signal can be any of these pairs. It can be any of these. Okay, it might not even be this because on BTC Dana they have different assets. Okay, what I mean by assets is they have the forex assets, they have the crypto assets, they have the meta assets. This crypto, I hope we are familiar with crypto. Our BTC, okay, Ethereum, USDT, they are all BTC. Then we have the metals also. Okay, so this metal, this is XAU USD, this is gold, and this is silver. Okay, so now I can the signal can be any of these assets. So anyone it is, be it XAU USD, be it Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, whichever of these our signal is, okay? Don't worry, the signal is going to carry the name of the asset we are going to be trading. Okay, so all you have to do is, if you have the screenshot now, the one I showed you just now is XAU USD. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come to your search box. Okay, you want to come to this search box here. You saw when I click on the search box. Okay, so let me cancel and go back for all that didn't know how I clicked on it. So see, you see this round button here, this round circle button, this circular button. You want to click on it. Okay, so when you click on this, it's going to sorry. When you click on it, it's going to bring this enter keyword. So you want to enter the signal. Okay, in front of signal, in front of the one you screenshot just now, you will have the XAU USD. Okay, that is how all the signals are going to be. It's going to put the asset. Okay, if it's a currency asset, it's going to put it there. I'm going to put it there. So all you have to do is come to your search bar here and enter the same thing. So the one we screenshot was XAU USD. You see we have the XAU USD here. So you want to click on it and come to your home page. Okay, so this is the chart right now. This is the XAU USD page. Okay, so now go back to your screenshot and you see I said sell. Okay, so in case you didn't get the chance to take the shot, let me just reshare for you guys. Okay, I just want us to understand how this works. Okay, I want us to understand how this works. So you see, this is our signal. Okay, the signal is XAU USD. That is the pair we want to trade. Okay, this is the pair we are trading. This is what we want to trade, XAU USD. Okay, and what is the signal? The signal is sell. Okay, sell now. Okay, when I say sell now, I'm expecting you to go to your BTC Dana trading application and click on sell. Okay, you want to click on sell. So when you click on this sell, now let's go back to our BTC Dana trading application and click on sell. So now I hope you can see my screen. Now the signal is sell, XAU USD sell. Then you click on sell. Okay. So when you click on sell right now, we have the SL and the TP. Remember what I said SL and TP is? That is our stop loss and take profit. Now we have our SL and take profit here. So assuming I send this kind of signal, we have TP, okay, and this is the number for the TP. Then we have SL, and this is the number for the SL. So what you want to do now is you want to copy these numbers, okay? You want to copy your TP, whichever one you want to copy first. It doesn't matter. You are going to copy the both of them, okay? But you can't copy all of them at once. You want to copy the first one. So this is the one I'm copying. Even though you don't copy, you can just go back. You can just go to your BTC Dana trading application and enter it manually. Okay, if you don't want to copy and paste, you can just go there and enter it manually. So now let's go back to our BTC Dana trading application. Now the first one we copied is our TP, right? So you want to click on this box. That is before you sell. There are two ways you can actually do this. You can decide to sell first so that you don't miss the chance. Okay, maybe it's a scalping trade, so you want to take your trade instantly before the trade start playing out. Okay, so you want to click on this sell, or if maybe you are not comfortable clicking on sell before setting your stop loss and take profit, you can actually click here. Okay, so we've done this example before. Okay, we've done this example. Let's do another one. Okay, let's do another example. Now, immediately you saw the signal. You don't want it to start playing out. You want to sell instantly. Okay, because I sell now. I said sell now. You want to sell instantly. So when you came to your XAUUSD and click on sell, it brought out this page. Just click on sell instantly. Okay, click on sell. Click on sell. Then, sorry, I'm waiting for this chart to load. Okay, I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, so our order is successful. We sold successfully. Okay, so you want to come to check order. Okay, you want to come to check order. Or if you mistakenly close it, if you mistakenly close this and you don't have your sell order, don't worry. Just come back to your home. Okay, come back to your home right here. Okay, just come back to your home page right here. Then click on trading. Okay, click on trading. Click on trading right here. So when you click on your trading, it's going to bring out the order. This is XAUUSD, the one we placed a sell order on. Okay, this is our order. This is the one we just took. This is the trade we just took on our demo. Okay, so now you want to click on anywhere around this order. You want to click anywhere. So I just click here now, then it pop out this box. Okay, this option. Now, take a look at this side. We have take profit, then we have the stop loss. Okay. So even though you didn't set it when you were taking this trade, you can always come back here and set it after you've already taken your trade. Okay. So I am guessing you have the screenshot. Okay. I'm guessing you have the screenshot. So now what do you want to do? You want to enter the numbers here. So if you have the screenshot, you remember that our TP, this is set. You see, it says set stop loss. Okay, and here it says set take profit. Okay, you can actually do this manually. You can decide to enter it from here. Okay, or you can enter it manually. You can choose this. You can say, okay, if I'm making profit though, when this profit gets to $1.7, please, I don't want to anymore. Give me my $1.7. Okay, or when this get to stop loss, if I when I'm losing 0.9, I want to stop loss. I don't want to lose more than 0.9. Okay, but if I'm the one giving you the digit, if I'm the one giving you the stop loss and the SL, as in like in our signal, what you want to do when you get to this point, you want to set the numbers that I'm giving you. Okay, so whatever is in front of your take profit is what you want to enter here. Okay, whatever is in your stop loss is what you want to enter here. Okay, I hope we understand now. So when we have our take profit and our stop loss, this is where we come to enter them after placing the trade. Okay, so when you enter the digit here, so take for example right now, our take profit here is, if you have the screenshot, our take profit is 1909.29. Okay, and our stop loss, okay, I just clicked on this plus sign here, and I'm able to edit the numbers in here. Okay, so our take profit right now, our stop loss rather, we've already set in the take profit. Okay, we've set the take profit. So our stop loss right now is 1921. That is 1921.29. Okay, so after setting it this way, you click on confirm. Okay, so this is a past trade, it will not confirm. Okay, it will not work because this thing I've given you right now, these are for past trades. These are trades that we've taken before. Okay, we took and it has already played out. Luckily it was even successful. Okay, it was successful. So that means you have successfully set your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, so that is basically how the forex market is. So if you have any question, please you can ask me right now. In fact, we are above the time limit that we are supposed to spend, but um, nonetheless, you can ask any question if you have one. Okay, I don't want to close this session without asking you, my guys, if you have any question you want to ask. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. If you have any question on what I've explained, or you have question on the premium channel that I talked about, you can ask. Okay, so about the premium channel, if you deposit on live stream, I'm going to get you into that channel. Okay, and when you get into the channel, I'll be giving you the signals. Okay, the way I've shown you right now, that is how I'm going to be placing it there, and you will be taking it and be making money. That's just basically it. Okay, no wahala. You just settle down, relax, watch film, do anything you want to do. If you are in your working place, it doesn't matter. If you are maybe a trader, a marketer, whatever, whichever one you are, it doesn't matter. So the signal, I will be providing them. All you have to do is just relax. When it comes in, just place it. If I say buy, buy. If I say sell, sell. Okay, and the market will start playing out. That is just how it is. Then, if you still don't understand how to deposit, you can go to the chat room. Okay, on the chat room right now, click on that banner that says deposit with benefits. Okay, just click on it. Deposit. Just click on it. It will take you to where you can start to make your deposit. Okay, it will take you to where you can make your deposit process. So when you deposit up to $15 on live stream, guys, pay attention to what I said. It's on live stream. Okay, if you're not depositing on live stream, it's not going to count. Okay, if you don't deposit on this live stream, you are not going to get into the premium group. The only way I can get you into the premium group is if you deposit on live stream. Okay, so that is that is how it is. Okay, guys. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me right now. If you have any question concerning everything that we've discussed, feel free to ask me. So I'm giving you guys just 2 minutes. 2 minutes to ask me anything, whatever it is that you want to ask me. Guys, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any question, I think we've come to the end of this live stream for this evening. Okay. So our next live stream is going to be the afternoon live stream, which is for tomorrow. Okay, and that will be around 2 p.m. on the dot. Okay, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so come with your live account. If you haven't made a deposit, go and deposit on your account. Deposit up to $15. Okay, and when you are depositing, make sure you are depositing on this live stream. Okay, so that I can count it as it will be a way of saying, I'm serious. So yeah, I want to start making money. Okay, so that is how I see it when you deposit on live stream. If you deposit on live stream, it's just an encourage. You are encouraging me to drop more signals, to drop more tips for you. Okay, it's an encouragement. I just want to see that seriousness in you. So if you want me to take you serious, and if you yourself want to take forex trading serious, if you really want to make money, deposit up to $15 in your BTC Dana trading application. The $15 you are depositing is not for me. Okay, it's not for me. I'm not getting any benefit from it. I'm not giving you any link. Okay, but you deposit it, you make money with it. That is just basically how it is. I'm just here to help all of us. Okay, we are here to help each other. Okay, so you deposit $15, you is in your account. Whenever I say buy, you buy. Whenever I say sell, you sell. That's basically it, and you make money. Okay, so tomorrow is another day. Make sure you come along with your real account tomorrow afternoon. Okay, because we'll be dropping, if possibly we see any opportunity on the live stream at 2 p.m. live stream tomorrow, we are going to place a live trade. Okay, and if there's no opportunity on the live stream, if you are on the premium group, you are going to get a premium signal. Okay, and that is why it is important that you get into the premium group. If you're not on the premium group, you the opportunities, the signals, it will be limited, because on the live stream we might not get even a single signal in a day, and I want all of us to be making money. Okay, I want all of us to come out bright, smile by the end of the week, start singing song of praises. Okay, Omo, we are coming to the weekend right now. I have up to like $20 I want to withdraw from BTC Dana. It's a good thing, guys. Okay, so deposit up to $15 so that you can get you into the premium group. Okay, and on the premium group, you have the benefit of getting as many signals as possible. Okay, when we have any setup, you take the signal and you make your money. That's just it. Forex is very profitable if you know the way to follow. And the way to follow is what I'm telling you right now. That is the signal. Okay, and when you are depositing, make sure it's on this live stream. That is how you can get on my premium group. So if you're not depositing on this live stream, guys, please, let's be guided. If you're not depositing on this live stream, if you come to me later and say, I have a dollar, I have few dollars in my account. If you're not depositing on this live stream, I'm not going to put you in the premium group. Okay, it has to be on this live stream. Okay, all right, guys. So that will be all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Um, have a blessed evening. Bye.